If you are enjoying the activities and stories that we're putting up on Facebook, please do give us a like below. Also, you can share our Family Support Facebook page with your friends and family. It's time for an activity now.
Hi and welcome to AlbyTV. Today's activity is sensory. So we're going to be using shaving foam, some glitter, a few pom-poms and paper and food colouring. So with this activity I have laid a tray, it's just an ordinary tray, and I put some foil paper just to protect the tray so it doesn't turn a different colour. And it's also easy to wash. Good. A good shake, and then we're just going to spray. This makes a funny sound. So you can use as much shaving foam as you like, it doesn't matter. So we're going to start by using our fingers. Okay, you ready? Wiggle, wiggle, and into the shaving foam they go. And you can go round and round and feel how soft the shaving foam is. Very soft. Oh, makes your fingers all sticky. And now I'm going to use my glitter. This gives it a nice different texture. It's a nice sensory feeling on your hands, and also makes it lovely and shiny. I don't know if you can see that. It's all glittery and shiny. So now you can pick up again and rub your hands together and feel the texture. It's lovely. It's a bit bumpy, but very nice. I'm going to bring in some pom-poms. And they're going to make it like that, nice and round. See, it's all covered now. And then if you put it in your hands and squish, 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 can you hear that noise? It's a lovely sound. Yeah, and it's nice. It's all bumpy on my hand. It feels all lumpy. You can clap. See? It's a nice effect. There. So once you've done that a few times, you can do it as long as you like because it's so much fun. Okay. Now I'm just going to use my food colouring, just a few drops of food colouring. You can see that. There. I've only used a little bit because it does go a long way. So there, can you see it? Now we're going to mix it all up with your fingers. There. Oh, it's changed colour now. It's gone like a pinky red. Very fun. They're all mucky. See? It's lovely. Oh, it's all red. Oh, they're lovely. So I'm just going to rinse off. Now I'm going to make a handprint. Okay. Oh, it stuck to my hands. Yeah. I've done a handprint. See? Try that one again, and it's actually got some nice glitter on there. It's lovely. Covered up again. There you go. It's got a nice sound. Okay. 1, 2, 3. There you go again. There. Do it as many times as you like, and if you have a big sheet of paper, you can cover the big sheet of paper as well. And what you can do afterwards, if if you like, take your glitter and sprinkle on top. That becomes all nice and shiny. Not sure if you can see that. Lovely and shiny. I hope you enjoyed that fun activity, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.